Stock are paying some of the highest dividends right now in the stock market. Is that a good idea? Here's what you need to know about oil stock and why dividends is actually super important. First of all, when we look at oil stock, is there going to be an increase in demand? Well, some people are saying no and some people are saying yes. What we've actually seen is over the last few months, there's been a reduction in demand for oil. However, Saudi Aramco, they're saying that there's going to be a massive increase. And in fact, there's a problem in the future because there's not going to be enough oil. You could say they're biased, but Goldman Sachs actually back it up. And they see oil, which is around $80 a barrel right now, going to 100. China's opening up, and that's massive. Why? Well, we actually look at where is demand for oil. Well, it actually comes from Asia more than it comes from the US and from Europe. In other words, if you look at Asia and you see this opening up, I call it revenge spending. So after COVID, after countries open up, people want to spend. They want to actually travel. They want to be making sure that they're taking advantage, particularly when they've been in that lockdown situation. So I'm actually in favor of oil. I actually think there's going to be an increased demand. 45% of the global economy is actually in Asia. It uses the most amount of oil. I see the oil price at least being stable. So then why are dividends important? Because if you buy into the stock, then even if you're just getting a dividend, then you can actually be making a far better profit than investing in other sectors. For example, Devon Oil, its profit figures recently weren't as good, but they're only slightly down on expectations. They're offering a dividend of 9%. You look at companies like Shell, Exxon, they're around 4% as a dividend. So you've got the growth of the stock, which is likely to increase over a period of time. And also at the same time, you're getting a dividend. Why are dividends important? Well, think, first of all, companies that pay a dividend tend to be more stable. It underpins the stock price more. In other words, if they've got cash flow, if they've got income, that's why Warren Buffett likes it, then they're actually paying that out. It actually shows stability. Then secondly, not only have you got that, but you've got the compound effect. So as you get the dividend, then you can be reinvesting that. So companies that are paying a dividend, they actually can give you that income, which you can reinvest. You can actually get that money working harder for you. Which companies should you invest in? Well, I'd always say talk to a financial advisor. Consider certainly the oil sector. However, always diversify, always look to be in other areas. Oil can certainly be an area of interest, dividends for sure, and in some countries, actually receiving a dividend has tax advantages. We can actually structure products at deVere where you can gain a regular income and use these particular sectors if you want to. In fact, right now we've got offers which actually give you an even higher return than 10% per annum using these particular sectors. Okay, certainly one to take an eye. I'll keep an eye on. Keep looking at various investments. I'll keep you up to date. Make sure you hit subscribe for this YouTube channel so I can give you ideas. You grab the video quickly, pick the ideas that you like. Please like and share the video. Obviously, it helps me with the algorithm and hopefully I can give you some information that's of value to you.